President Murmu takes holy dip at Mahakum and perform puja at Sangam in Pragyaraj. Prime Minister Modi interacts with students in Pariksha Pe Charcha, advises students to take nutritional diet to stay healthy. Government of India has approved Meghalaya to host the National Games in 2027, says Shaklyar Warjri. And KNUM manifesto vowed to revert back issuing of ST certificate to district councils. And now for the news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu today took a holy dip in Triveni Sangam at Mahakum. She performed puja at Sangam, the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati River. Uttar Pradesh Governor Anand Patel and Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath were also present on the occasion. In a social media post, President Murmu said the huge gathering at Mahakum is a lively symbol of India's rich cultural heritage. She said that Mahakum conveys the message of unity and spirituality to humanity. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has underscored the importance of education, highlighting that it is meant for holistic development. He made these remarks while interacting with students during the 8th edition of the popular interactive program Pariksha Pe Charcha in New Delhi. In a video released today, Modi addressed students on how to overcome stress and anxiety during exams. During the interaction, he advised the students not to be confined within the walls.
उसका पहला उपाय तो ये है कि आपको पुराने एग्जाम पेपर होते हैं उसका बहुत प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए। अगर आपने प्रैक्टिस की है तो पता चलेगा कि मैं कम शब्दों में जवाब लिखूंगा तो मेरा समय बचेगा, फिर दूसरे पर तीसरे पर, फिर आखिर में जो सवाल में थोड़ी मेहनत कसरत करनी है, जहां दिमाग खपाऊंगा, हो गया तो ठीक है, नहीं हो गया तो छोड़ दूंगा। कभी कभी क्या होता है कि जो नहीं आता है उसी में दिमाग खपाते हैं, फिर आते हैं उसमें टाइम कम पड़ जाता है। कभी आता है तो उसमें ज़्यादा लिख लेते हैं, लंबा लिख देते हैं, बहुत टाइम लगा देते हैं। और इसका एक उपाय है प्रैक्टिस करना।
Shaklyar Warjri, Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs, on Sunday has informed that the proposal to the Government of India to host the National Games in 2027 has been approved. Shaklyar said he had recently met the Union Minister of Sports, Mansukh Mandaviya, in Delhi, and from this meeting, the Indian Olympic Association has agreed with the Government of India to host the 39th Games in Meghalaya. At the same time, he expresses congratulations to all those who have brought honour to Meghalaya by winning medals in the National Games in Uttarakhand.
Desember jong usnam arja arpusau na kaliang kajonga malayo ya kaban ya kendu yung Union Minister jong ka Government of India beri benefit ya ka transport hakaban na kaliang kajongi kung kajela hakajing lam jong Menteri Rangba milayo ya kabangin ai ka city na kamentaban host ya ka National Games hangga po kajela kajongi ban ngadap da kajikeman ka kraw ban gisngi ba menta ka sngi milayo ya ka confirmation na kaliang jong ka IUA berkumjuru na kaliang jong ka central government hakabakila bediang ya ka jing kerpat kajungi bangin host ya ka National Games sikumta ngit scam baganika khubor kalong ka khubor ka bakamendo pang na kabenta ki khun samla ki ba ya ka sports kan kajela kajungi.
The Khon Hinyotrep National Awakening Movement on Monday in its manifesto has vowed that the party will be impressed on the need to revert back the authority of issuing of Scheduled Tribe certificate to the district councils. Talking to reporters after releasing the manifesto, Thomas Pasa, KNUM working president, said that they have found that there are many lapses ever since the ST certificate was issued by the Deputy Commissioner Office. According to him, there is no proper scrutiny of the applications, especially at present when people can apply for the ST certificate online.
baka simti ka state government ban ay kini schedule tribe khamta mandal ka online ki bon ba ki jing ban pai bnya swaba ka DC office ne ka sarkar kan ay kini schedule tribe ka bawan ra bade ka jing turmur lani ka jing punan kam bakla ya kata ka schedule tribe kategori te kane ka de ka e ka bana ka lenga jongi ngila ya sa ila pai bnya ba balangi poi satisfaction council kan penti kana baka ne ka bor ban ay ka ne ka serna riulom lani ka schedule tribe certificate kan wan phai byang siapa ka council nang baka don kata ka jing purking ga byang ba swaba ngin ay ka schedule tribe certificate siya ba apply.
The SSLC examination conducted by the Meghalaya Board of School Education commenced today with 64,369 students participating. A total of 164 exam centres have been set up across Meghalaya, with 93 located in Shillong region including Khasi and Jaintia Hills and 71 in Tura region covering Garo Hills. Among the students, 26,517 are boys and 37,852 are girls. The candidates include 29,972 in Regular 1, 16,013 in Regular 2, 1,455 in Private, 1,884 in Non-Regular, 21 in Improvement and 1,002 in compartmental categories. The vibrant traditional Thanksgiving festival Shat Suk Minsim marked its successful conclusion in Umthro, Ribhoi district on Sunday. Hundreds of spectators gathered to witness this annual celebration, which featured a colourful display of traditional dancing. This year's festival showcased 135 dancers, all participating in the lively dance performances. The festival, an expression of gratitude to God for the blessing received, was filled with rhythmic beats of drums and the tangmuri. Prominent figures in attendance included Robin Kurba, President of Seng Khilang, Sukdor Karakor, Assistant Secretary of Seng Khasi Kme, El Sungo, President of Seng Khasi Umthro, along with other dignitaries, dancers and community members from across Ribhoi and Khasi Hills.
Kasat ngila lak mentala kalalong sausin ngila pelong ngila sedang ini kasat tu arajar kat kendai mulai peningkong arab prakterik hadim tu kalau warno kalau lockdown pincis nam ngi kamna yo su ban pelong ya kasat hadim tu lockdown pat ngila yo ban pelong ya kasat ban hadu pendaki kino sim bentai kena kasat ka kambun mentau snam namar macam ni kam duna kambun mentau snam data ai kublero ya tala lawan nak keleng dikenak seng dongi pada nak ori kasi lawan pun sengai wan ibu king ya kena kasat pada pelong dia kasat.
A fire broke out at a warehouse owned by Anuj Bauri, located in the Jovan Towers building owned by Joan Manners at 11:15 a.m. this morning. The blaze spread quickly, destroying all equipment inside, which is situated opposite the Bata building at Umsosun. The owner, who requested to remain, reported that the warehouse stored electronic and computer goods with a total value of approximately Rs 70 lakh. While the exact cost of the fire remains under investigation, the owner speculated that it may have been triggered by an electrical short circuit. Firefighters rushed to the scene and were able to extinguish the flames. The Department of Social Work at the University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya, today inaugurated a two-day national conference titled Elderly Life Matters, a Human Rights Perspective. The conference aims to address critical issues affecting the elderly from a human rights perspective. Yamonlang M. Saim, chairperson of the Meghalaya State Women's Commission, served as the chief guest. In her keynote address, Saim highlighted the pressing issues regarding elderly rights and underscored the significance of collective efforts in safeguarding their welfare. And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 14 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 27 degrees Celsius, relative humidity is 79%. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature 5.5 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 17.5 degrees Celsius, relative humidity is 60%. Meanwhile, in Jowai, minimum temperature 8 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 19 degrees Celsius, relative humidity is 68%. And forecast in Tura, Shillong and Jowai says that dry weather is likely to occur at most places. And now for the headlines once again. President Murmu takes holy dip at Mahakumbh and performed puja at Sangam in Prayagraj. Prime Minister Modi interacts with students in Pariksha Pe Charcha, advises students to take nutritional diet to stay healthy. Government of India has approved Meghalaya to host the National Games in 2027, says Shaklyar Warjari. And Knam manifesto vowed to revert back issuing of ST certificate to district councils. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.